Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your earbuds Libratone TRACK Air Plus from your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth icon at the top, and if you haven't it, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Now go to the settings. And right here we have the left one and the right one earbuds, so we should remove both of them. So let's start with the left one. Click the information icon near to it, forget this device, forget device again, and the same with the right one. The information icon, forget this device, forget device. Now you can put your headphones to the charging case and close the case, because we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!